Yeah, sometimes we travel, guys, we travel. And we always say, I know, we don't have money. We always complain. I don't have money, I don't have this, I don't have this, I don't have this. You're complaining about money. Guys, let me tell you something. If you cannot spend your money, you will forever be broke in your life. It doesn't matter how small, how little it is. Whether you've got 1,000 rand, 500 rand, spoil yourself before you can give it. Can think about that girlfriend that is going to just come and milk you up and milk you up and milk you up without you having achieved nothing in your life. You understand? As a man, you need to man up, stand up. Don't be used by these girls who likes going out, chowing your money and all those type of things. It is not healthy, guys. So it is important for you to actually realize the potential of life. You understand? This is so beautiful. Look at this, guys. They're beautiful. Look at this beautiful place. You understand? Travel, guys, so you can see places. Travel so you can see places. It's always good to travel so you can see places, guys. This is now Qatar, Doha, all right? You know, life is good. Life is beautiful. But the most important thing is that at least as a man, stand up and be on your own. Stop relying on the government. All right. So it is very important, you know, it is very important. As a man, stand up, be on your own, you know. Stand up, be on your own. And make sure it is important that you are.
You know, that's the bike he
all right.
wants.
So like I said to you guys, very important, right? You do that. Look at my boy. He's driving electric scooter in Doha. Electric bike in Doha. My boy is driving electric bike in Doha. This is beautiful, beautiful. Take your children out, guys. Let them enjoy.
Oh, you do this?
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Blink, blink, blink. Yeah. So, guys, it's very important, right?
Try,
you know, even if you save that money, you can save 500 rand and say, I'm not going to use it. But let me tell you something. That money will end up disappearing like nobody's business. It will look like, yeah, my boy, good. So it will look like as if you don't have money, but you do have money. And especially most of you guys, you do have a lot of money, but you don't see that you've got money. You know, understand? It's important for you guys to take your chances. Life is very good. You know, take your chance, go out, you know. When you've got $1,000, you've got $500, 500 euros, whatever, you've got 500 Japanese yen, whatever money, whatever currency, 500 rand, go out, take yourself to the restaurant, go to the restaurant, take your family. Before you finish their salary, make money, you know, go eat something, just go and eat $200. Go and eat 200 rand. Go and eat 200 Japanese. You know, go and eat whatever. Understand? It's very important. Me too. I want to drive this. Hey, guys, come.
But don't go too fast. Do this thing. Eva is gonna try. Give me your phone if you have your phone. Give me your phone.
I have it.
Eva, you better not fall and break me on this thing.
So
Put your feet there.
How do I
No,
go fast?
you go.
How do I go fast like this?
Give it a speed like
No,
that.
I want to know how do I go fast?
Yeah, just like
Time's
this.
we're going. Time's going.
Yeah, Daddy, don't go too fast. Like, come on. Put your feet on. I'll push you so you can go.
Leave him.
Now you can go fast yourself.
Oh my God. Oh no, the brakes. Brake. I was so scared. I thought it was gonna fall or hit people.
No.
He's so far. Don't go so fast. Hey, Mom. I was scared that it would hit people. Careful, there's a glass there.
Eva, do you want to try? Eva,
Yeah, she must try also.
Also, you want.
Aye, baby, I'm scared. Let Eva try. Let Eva
Eva
try.
try.
But I don't wanna, how do you stop it? He doesn't want to stop.
Brake, there's a brake like a normal
Love is
bike
gonna show
brake.
you.
The brake, Daddy doesn't want to use the brake, that's why it's going like that.
Look at him, look at him.
If you don't want to go too fast, don't let go.
Hey, don't hit me.
get a second one.
Scaring me. Hey, you, man. You're scaring me, man. You're scaring me, man. You're too fast, man. Come on, man.
Look at the thing, it's so nice.
If I... Okay.
For 20 minutes.
I thought you were gonna hit that glass.
Yo, you scared me. When you're approaching them, the people are coming. I thought you were gonna hit them with that thing. I got scared. I was like, what? Is he out of control? And I was like, break.
But I thought you were gonna hit the
Look
glass.
at Jay. Look at Jay. Let me see.
You thought I was gonna hit the glass, ne? Jay?
All right. So, like I was saying, guys, very important. See, I was driving with an electric scooter. You know, I need to buy that. Very important. Maybe it's 5,000 rand to 5,000, $1,000 or $2,000 whatsoever.
Then if you wanna stop, pull this one. But don't pull the brake non-stop. Or you're gonna go like. If I don't pull this one, because if you pull this one, it will pull this one. Then you go.
You must use this one on the brake. This one. No, don't use this one.
Don't touch this one. This one will make it go up.
Okay, come.
Give the back.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The brake. It's okay.
As I push you for 6 feet. Put your legs on top and push.
You must hold your dress like
Not too fast.
yeah. You have a tight nose underneath.
Eva, put your feet on.
Yeah, you must
3,
put it here.
2, 1.
Jack, the speed is here.
No,
Like,
no,
yeah.
I don't like this. It's okay.
Go,
I'm trying to help you.
Eva is look well.
I'm putting it inside the tight so it doesn't disturb you.
Somebody call my baby, ne? Be strong.
Be strong. You must hold them. Eva, hold on. Don't fall.
Don't turn too much.
Don't do that.
My baby is very scared.
Be
She's
brave,
very
baby.
scared. She's going.
You can do it, baby. Run.
I guess go. No, I guess go get it.
What's wrong?
She can't.
What's
Love it,
wrong,
come
baby?
for mommy.
Is it too much for
Let
you?
mommy come and try my baby. Come. Let me go.
Hold my back on.
Mom, be careful.
The mommy is trying now.
This neck, you see this big thing here?
Yeah.
Hold it like this.
Okay, so this big thing here,
Don't
what does
lean
it
too
do?
much.
It gives you more speed.
Give
You
you
do
more
this,
speed.
baby. The speed, this one.
Or when
No,
you
not-
take it out
Not this way. This way.
this way,
Yeah.
like it gives you more speed this way.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
So you must hold the brake. This brake.
So I
not that
mustn't
one.
do and I mustn't put more speed, right?
You can if
You
you
can
want.
if you want.
And
Okay.
this is the brake. Don't touch this
Oh,
one.
this one is a brake.
Yeah,
don't touch
yeah,
it.
this
Yeah,
one's a
mustn't
break.
touch this one.
Yes,
You can
exactly.
hold
Okay.
here, but don't touch
So I must just pretend like I'm riding a bike, right?
Yeah, you are riding a bike even now.
Bike.
Okay,
It's a bike.
okay, let's go.
No, don't go too fast. No, go this way.
Increase the speed, baby, speed. Yeah, like that, baby. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, whoa. 10, babe. 10. 10. 10. Yeah, whoa. Come, speed, baby. Come. Come. Hola. You are doing it, baby. You are coming. We can go to the mall in Cape Town.
Stop.
Break, baby. Break.
If I was to
Break.
die now, she's saying stop.
Break. This is good, guys. All right. So, guys, I will take some more videos. You know, understand? We'll keep on talking, guys. We'll keep on talking. We'll keep on talking, guys.
Okay.
Give her a chance. She saw mommy can do it. She'll do
Yeah,
it.
yeah. I've got only one.
Speed. Now she wants to do it now because mommy did it.
The heart wants to do it.
Yeah, she's like, hi, mommy can't do this better than me. I
exactly.
must do it.
The heart wants
You
to
can
do
do it, baby. You can do it.
The hearts want to do it, guys. You know, sometimes it's very important.
Yeah, she did
Let
it.
your
She did it. She did
kids
it. She
learn.
did it. Yay!
Yeah, boy! Well done!
Finally! She
Well
wanted
done.
That's mommy's
Yeah.
baby. She wanted mommy
Yeah,
to do
come,
it.
my baby, come. Make it speed.
Mommy's baby.
Give her speed. Give her
That's
speed.
mommy's baby.
Give her speed,
That's
my baby.
mommy's baby. Yes,
Yeah,
baby.
that's good,
yes,
my baby. That's
baby.
good.
That's
You
mommy's
see?
baby.
Yeah, that's good.
Yay.
Yeah, 10, 10, 10,
baby, come
10,
back.
come.